Hey YouTube, how you doing? Always a reason to make another video with me, and I'm sitting on the bumper of a 95 T100 4-cylinder 5-speed, and it won't start. And I'll splice in and show you that when you just turn the key, all the lights come on and it goes click. I have no idea how to fix this truck, so I guess my first step was I went to Advanced Auto and I bought a brand new book and I'm pulling the plastic off right now to try to figure out how to fix this truck. And Advanced Auto says they'll plug it in. I'm sorry, AutoZone. Let me start over. Alright tubers, we're going to try to start the truck and you'll see what my problem is. Nothing. It just kind of goes click. The lights come on, fan runs, but all I get is a click. So, that's the problem. Won't start. Hey tubers, it didn't turn out to be much of a video at all. I took the book, went through all the checking and looking, and what it turned out to be was the battery here in this truck was less than optimal. And what I did was I pulled the battery out of my Tundra here, and you can see the new battery sitting there and waiting to be connected. But when I swapped batteries, everything in the T100 worked like a champ, so hey, I'm fixed. It was real simple. Most car repairs, not most, but some, if you think about it a little bit, you can do them. I don't even know if I'm going to put this video up. It's too simple.